you're looking for a way to make some extra money, you may be considering signing up to be a Dasher with Doordash. But before you start making money with Doordash, you should watch this video. In the video, we explain everything you need to know about Doordash, including how the platform works, how much you can expect to earn, and what you need to do to get started. We also share some awesome tips and tricks, also how you can make $500 a week easily. After watching the video, you'll know everything you need to get started with Doordash. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Doordash is a food delivery service that has partnered with thousands of restaurants in more than 5,000 cities. The company was founded by Tony Yu, who is a Chinese-American billionaire. Doordash makes money by charging restaurants and convenience stores a given percentage for every delivery that a driver makes. The company also offers services such as Doordash for Work and Dash Pass and earns subscription fees from these. One of the benefits of being a Doordash driver is that you get to keep 100% of the delivery fees. Plus, if one of your customers decides to give you a little something extra for the good work you did, you are free to keep all that for yourself. As a Doordash driver, you can make money by delivering food from restaurants and stores. The company has made it easy to join with a simple sign-up process that takes no more than 7 days. To get started, you'll need to create an account and choose your vehicle. You'll also need to undergo background and motor vehicle checks, which are required by Doordash. The background check usually takes 5-7 business days to complete. If you feel like you've been waiting too long, you can always contact Checker to find out the status. Doordash drivers keep 100% of the delivery fees and are also able to earn tips from customers. You can even earn bonuses as you continue to grow with Doordash. The best way to make $500 a week is to offer the best delivery service to your customers. As a Doordash driver, you can earn a minimum of $10 per hour and up to $25 per hour, depending on how fast you are and how many customers you can serve in your location. With a little bit of hustle, you can easily make $100 in a day. And if you provide great customer service, you may even be able to make up to $500 to $1,000 a week. Plus, Doordash has a great payment policy. You can get paid every Monday via direct deposit for all of the deliveries you made in the previous week. And if you've been driving for Doordash for at least 2 weeks and made over 25 deliveries, you may be eligible for the Fast Pay program, which allows you to cash out your earnings at any time for a small service fee of $1.99. There are plenty of reasons to consider Doordash as a primary source of income. For one thing, the company offers Dashers the opportunity to grow their income potential. As long as you know how to deal with customers and provide the best customer service, there's no reason why you shouldn't be successful with the Dasher program. Furthermore, Doordash continues to expand into new cities, and new restaurants and stores are signing up to work with the brand. That means there's work for you to do, and that's for as long as Doordash exists. In addition, you can earn referral bonuses by referring friends to become Dashers. Of course, this won't add a lot of money to your bank, but every dollar you earn goes along to make a big difference as far as making money part or full-time is concerned. There are some things you can do to maximize your earnings potential. First, you should only accept orders that are $7 or more. This way, you will make more money per hour. Second, you should look for batches of orders. Doordash will sometimes send additional order requests while you are in the middle of a delivery. If you can pick up both orders, you will be able to deliver them quicker and make more money. Just make sure that the second order is not too far away and that you are not too late, so that you lose the chance of receiving a tip with both customers. Alternatively, Doordash drivers can wait near clusters of multiple restaurants whose orders they know often come in. This is a good strategy for drivers who want to stay busy and minimize their downtime. There are usually a bunch of fast food joints in your city's malls, strip malls, or neighborhoods. These are typically good areas to find Doordash orders. So if you're looking to make some extra money with Doordash, keep these tips in mind. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.